Hey guys, in this video, I'll be talking about the US Army's new SMG, the APC9K. Did Maruyama do it right? Let's find out. At 3 pounds and 9 ounces, externally, the upper is made out of a CNC aluminum, while the lower is polymer. The finish looks pretty nice. There are no trades, as this is an unlicensed replica, but Octacon does do pretty good engravings. The only muzzle device the replica can take is the included suppressor. The suppressor extends the inner barrel's length. This is known to have a negative impact on accuracy, but I will test it out. On the replica, the stock, charging handle, and magazine wobbles. External compatibility wise, you can get a 14mm negative threadings by buying BBT's steel outer barrel, which also has the tri-lug for the original suppressor. There are many options for stock. There's the B&T folding and an M1913 rail adapter end plate. As this was made by Maruyama, I wouldn't be surprised if real steel accessories can fit. The APC9K is super tiny and compact. Here it is next to an 11.5-inch AR. Internally, everything in the fire control group is steel except for the trigger. This replica does not come with an end pass out of the box. You can use a CL Project end pass for it. This replica uses TDC hop, which you can adjust with an Allen key here. Super loop PTFE can be used to loop all the moving parts for smoother operation. I haven't seen any common issues with this replica. You can also increase the recoil by adding in a steel bolt made by BBT for 100 USD. The only spare parts being sold are the nozzle and bolt. Empty of gas, the magazines are 466 grams. This replica is designed to take VFC Glock magazines, but it can use other brands like WeTech and Marui to fire the magazine or the mag well. The mag release is ambi and it works well. The bolt catch and release is also ambi. It's reliable and works properly. The selector is nice and clicky, although moving to full auto is a little unconventional. The trigger, which weighs around 3 pounds, has a solid wall if you pull carefully enough, and the reset is shorter and loud. The telescoping stock is super cool as you're able to fully extend it very fast. Gravity can also collapse it for you. Gas efficiency is really good. At 60 Fahrenheit, I was able to get 110 shots off, with bolt lock failing at 105 shots. Here are some mag dumps in different weather and magazine temperatures. Do note, these magazines are filled up to 50 rounds, a whole 20 shots over the typical 30. The recoil is minimal. Here's a few comparisons with other SMGs. The accuracy is really good. Fortunately, there isn't a negative impact on the accuracy when the suppressor is mounted. With .2s shooting at 60 Fahrenheit is averaging at 311.9 FPS or 0.9 joules. With the suppressor, it's averaging at 393.3 FPS, or 1.43 joules. Since these don't retail in the US, you'll have to import it if you want to get one. I have a video on my channel on how to import replicas into the US and my experience with it. In conclusion, this subcompact SMG is an excellent performer with a huge magazine capacity, making it a worthwhile platform to run. As always, please leave your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching.